Hello everyone, I'm Sabita Rani, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department in Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. Today I'm here to give a tech talk about 3D printing. Make anything and everything. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as desktop fabrication or additive manufacturing, is the process of printing a three-dimensional object layer by layer with equipment which is quite similar with an inkjet printer. For creating an object, we need a digital 3D model. We can either scan a set of 3D images or draw it using computer assisted design or CAD software. The digital 3D model is usually saved in STL format and then sent to the printer. A brief history of 3D printing. The technology of 3D printing physical objects from digital data was first developed by Charles Hull in 1984. He named the technique as stereolithography and obtained a patent for the technique in 1986. Other similar technologies such as fused deposition modeling and selective laser sintering were introduced in the end of 1980s. In 1993, Massachusetts Institute of Technology patented three-dimensional printing techniques. It is similar to the inkjet technology used in 2D printers. Z Corporation, now acquired by 3D Systems, obtained an exclusive license from MIT to use the technology and started developing 3D printers based on 3D printing technology in 1995. In September 2011, a smaller, lighter and cheaper printing device has been developed in Vienna Institute of Technology. 3D printing technologies. There are several different 3D printing technologies, the main difference being how layers are built to create parts. The most widely used technologies for 3D printing are selective laser sintering, stereolithography, laminated object manufacturing, and fused deposition modeling. Selective laser sintering. Selective laser sintering is an additive manufacturing technique that uses a high-power laser, for example a carbon dioxide laser, to fuse some small particles of plastic, metal, ceramic or glass powders into a mass that has a desired three-dimensional shape. Stereolithography. Stereolithography is an additive manufacturing process which uses a vat of liquid UV curable photopolymer resin using a UV laser to build parts layer by layer, one at a time. Laminated object manufacturing. Laminated object manufacturing is a rapid prototyping system in which layers of adhesive coated paper, plastic or metal laminates are successively glued together and cut to shape using laser cutter. Fused deposition modeling. Fused deposition modeling is an additive manufacturing technology commonly used for modeling, prototyping and production applications. FDM is a process in which a physical object is created directly from a computer-aided design or CAD model using layer by layer deposition of a feedstock plastic filament material extruded through a nozzle. This is the process which is very widely used in the 3D printing techniques. The process of 3D printing starts with a CAD-based 3D model. This 3D model can be either created by scanned images or just by modeling it. This model is then converted into an STL file. This STL file is then sent to a slicing software. This slicing software creates sliced layers of the part in required fragments. This software also creates the tool path that has to be followed for creating this model. This tool path is written in G codes, M codes, and these codes are copied in a memory card which is sent into the additive manufacturing system or the 3D printer. After printing, the part is removed and post-processing processes can be done on the part to obtain a finished part. 3D printing materials. The most commonly used material for industrial 3D printing are nylon, ABS, which are thermoplastics, resin, which are of various types such as castable resins, tough resins, flexible resins, etc. PLA or polylactic acid, which are made from renewable sources such as sugarcane or cornstarch. It is also called green plastic. Gold and silver. These filaments are sturdy material and are processed in powder form. These materials are generally used in the jewelry sector. Stainless steel, which is printed by fusion or laser sintering. Titanium, which is the strongest and the lightest material for 3D printing. Ceramics, it is one of the newest material that is used in 3D printing. PET or PETG, like nylon, PET or polyethylene terephthalate is also one of the frequently used plastic. PETG is a modified version of PET where G stands for glycol modified. As a result, a filament that is less brittle, clearer and easier to use than PET is formed. High impact polystyrene are plastic filaments that are used for support structures. Advantages of 3D printing. Using 3D printing technology can provide numerous benefits both for individuals and business alike. Faster production, easily accessible, better quality, tangible design and product testing, cost effectiveness, creative designs and customization freedom, unlimited shapes and geometry, can implement assorted raw material, less waste production, risk reduction. Limitations of 3D printing. There are quite a few limitations of 3D printing also. First, the high energy consumption, expensive technology, limited materials, use of specialized parts and equipment which makes it difficult for it to be used daily. Harmful emissions. Too much reliance on plastic, which is not very eco-friendly. 3D printers are slow. That makes production also slower. Production of dangerous weaponry, which cannot be restricted. Production of dangerous knives or guns, parts of guns are all quite dangerous. Copyright infringements, manufacturing job losses. 3D printing applications. The applications of 3D printing cover various sectors from education to industry and the whole value chain from prototypes to spare parts management. Some of the industries that widely use applications of 3D printing technology are manufacturing industry, architecture and construction, healthcare and medical, chemical industry, food industry, aeronautics and space, drones, energy, automotive, textile and fashion, robotics, optics, electronics, and many more. In the manufacturing sector, from jigs and fixtures all the way to the end-of-arm tooling, 3D printers are completely turning the decades-old manufacturing industry on its head, creating custom, low-volume tooling and fixtures at a fraction of their traditional price, giving designers and engineers more time to spend on revenue-generating parts. In aerospace industries, since part precision is critical for aircraft, aerospace engineers have taken a 3D printing inspection tooling to reduce costs for low volume parts. In automotive industries, 3D printing in the automotive industry is primarily used by car makers to create automotive prototypes to check their form and fit. Car companies make use of 3D printing technologies to manufacture some parts lightweight, also bringing benefits in cost and strength, and improves the strength and driving characteristics. 3D printing also reduces the cost in product development process by eliminating the need for special tooling or dedicated molds for parts which are likely to change. Architecture and construction. One of the earliest uses of 3D printing was to print tabletop scale models for architecture firms. These models, in pre-BIM days, helped the design process and were valuable tools for both selling and planning building projects. In 2006, the Contour Crafting System, an enormous 3D printer, was unveiled, designed to literally print buildings in place. It works like a desktop 3D printer but uses a crane to do the printing, and concrete was the medium to lay down a building's structural elements. And more in the construction industry. 3D printed villas have evolved, and now 3D printed steel bridges are also getting developed. In healthcare and medical sectors, 3D printing has been used to create patient-specific organ replicas that surgeons can use to practice on before performing complicated operations. Creating tissues and organoids. Bioprinters use a computer-guided pipette to layer living cells, referred to as bioink, on top of one another to create artificial living tissues in a laboratory. Also, 3D printing can be used to produce prosthetic limbs that are customized, and that too in a cost-effective manner. Using 3D printing to produce surgical instruments is an accurate and cost-effective way to quickly manufacture highly demanded medical supplies. It is also easy to modify designs for practical surgical needs, even for complex instruments. In the textile and fashion industry, the advancing technical possibilities in 3D printing make developments that will revolutionize production and the trade in the fashion and textile industry. Clothing and shoes will soon be coming out of a 3D printer in an individualized way. 3D printed jewelry production augments the principles of traditional casting with the advantages of a digital design and manufacturing process. And more applications of 3D printing technology in the electronics, optics, and drone industries, the food industries, the toy sectors, and much, much more. Thank you for watching.